Hello everyone, welcome to SM Education. This is Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I upload videos based on topics related to computer science engineering and also some helpful career guidelines. Coming to this video, in this video, I am going to explain you the concept of averages and also some of the problems related to averages. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now coming to concept of averages. For a group of numbers, if we are supposed to calculate the measures of central tendency of the group of number, we have three measures of central tendencies. Those are nothing but mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. These are the three measures. Out of these three measures, mean is used mostly in statistical situation. This mean is also known as arithmetic mean, and this arithmetic mean is also called as averages. This also can be called as averages. By this we can tell that the formula for average is sum of observations by total number of observations. This is the formula that is mainly used in the concept of average. Sum by n. Now, coming to the definition of average. Average is nothing but sharing the quantities equally. Suppose if I have 10 chocolates with me. If I have 10 chocolates with me and there are 5 children. I want to share these 10 chocolates among these 5 children equally. What I have to do, I just need to divide this 10 with the 5. So that the answer will be 2. By this, we can tell that each children will get 2 chocolates without any partiality. Like means without any less or more when compared to other children. So, averages are nothing but equally distributing. Averages are nothing but equally distributing. Now, there is another property in the average, that is nothing but average value always lies in between lowest and highest in the given data set. Average value is always lying between lowest number that is present in the data set and highest number that is present in the data set. Suppose for example, if the numbers like 12, 13, 14, if I took these numbers and I want to calculate average, if we go by traditional method means by formula approach. Average is sum by n. This is the formula for average. Now, we need to calculate the sum for these given data set by how many numbers are there, how many observations are there. There are 3 observations by 3. Then we will get the answer 39 by 3. Then the average value is 13. By this example, we can tell that 13 is the average value, and what is the lowest number in the given data set? That is 12, and highest number in the data set, that is 14. So we can tell that average value is lie between lowest number and highest number. This is one of the property in average. Now this is the concept of average. Let's solve some of the problems in average. Question number 1. The average of first 10 natural numbers is. First 10 natural numbers are nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 10. If we go through by traditional method, average is equal to sum by how many observations are there? There are 10 observations. Now this is very complicated one when we have this much type of observations. So the easiest way to solve these kinds of problem is nothing but we just need first number and last number divided by 2. This is the formula. First number plus last number divided by 2 gives the average of first 10 natural numbers. see when the common difference is same, that means if the numbers are in AP series means arithmetic progression. If the numbers are in arithmetic progression, that means with the same common difference, then this formula can be applied. Here we can see that the numbers 1 to 10 have common difference 1. So we can apply this formula. So the average will be 1 plus last number is 10 divided by 2. This will give 11 by 2 and the average will be 5.5. So this is the easiest approach. We can also do in traditional approach, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to 10 by 10. This is more complicated. So instead of doing this, we can apply this formula. And this formula is only applied when the series is in AP, arithmetic progression, right? Let's solve second problem. The average of first 10 even numbers. First 10 even numbers are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 18, 20. These are the first 10 even numbers. In these first 10 even numbers, we can see that common difference is same. Anywhere common difference is same. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. So common difference is same. What is the formula for these kinds of problem? If the common difference is same means that is nothing but first plus last number. First number plus last number divided by 2. What is the first number in the given data set? That is 2. Last number is 20 by 2. This will give 22 by 2, that is average is 11. So average of first 10 even number is 11. Hope you all got my point. Let's solve third problem. Find the average of first 10 odd numbers. First 10 odd numbers are nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. These are the first 10 odd numbers. Now we can see here also the common difference is same. 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2. So as the common difference is same in the series, we can use the formula first number plus last number by 2. What's the first number in the given data set? It is 1. And the last number is 19. 1 plus 19 gives you 20 by 2, that is 10. So average of 10 odd numbers is, first 10 odd numbers is 10. And the average of first 10 even numbers is 11. So let's solve fourth problem. Find the average of 4, 5, 8. Here they gave the average value 4, 5, 8. We need to calculate the average value. Here we can clearly see that common difference is not same. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. The common difference is not same. For these kinds of problem, what we have to do, we need to go by traditional approach. Traditional approach is the sum by n. This is the formula for traditional approach. What is the sum? 4 plus 5 plus 8 by how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 by 3. So the average value is 5.66. So this is the approach to solve average values. Let's solve another more problems. Average marks obtained by a student in 3 papers is 52. Let the 3 papers be A, B and C. Average is 52. Now they given average value. Average is equal to sum by number of observations. Number of observation is 3. They give an average value as 52 for these 3 papers. 52 equal to sum by 3. Then we will get the sum of the 3 papers. 3 into 52, that is nothing but 156. Let's keep aside this one. Now, in the 4th paper, he obtained 60 marks. Let the 4th paper be D, and he obtained 60 marks in that 4th paper. 4th paper, 60 marks. Find his new average. Now, this 4th paper is added to this previous average. Now, if we add A plus B plus C by plus D as new observation is added. How many observations are there? 4 observations are there. Now we need to calculate this average. This is the new average. Now we need to calculate this average. Previously we got the value of A plus B plus C. What is the A plus B plus C value? 156 plus D. What is the 4th paper marks? That is 60 by 4. It will give you 216 by 4, and when you cancel this one, we will get 54. So the option will be 54. Let's solve next problem. If we take 4 numbers, the average of the first 3 is 16. Let's take 4 numbers as A, B, C, D. The average of first 3. They are only telling about the first 3. That means average. They given first 3 average. First 3 average as 16. So 16 equal to A plus B plus C by N. How many numbers only? How many number of observations? There are only 3 observations. So sum of only 3 observations is 3 into 16. That is nothing but 48. Let's keep this aside. Now, and that of last 3 is. Now they gave last 3 average. That is BCD average. Now BCD average is 15. B plus C plus D by 3 equal to average. This is the formula, that is nothing but sum by n. Now given average is 15 for the last 3. So B plus C plus D by 3, B plus C plus D value is 45. Now in these 2 conditions, what they are asking is, if the last number is 15, what is the last number? D. So let D be 18. If the last number is 18, let D equal to 18. Find the first number. Let's solve these 2 equations. We can write B plus C equal to 48 minus A from the first condition. From the second condition, we can write B plus C equal to 45 minus D. As LHS and LHS are equal, we can equate RHS. 48 minus A equal to 45 minus D. What they gave, last number is 18. Last number is D. So D value they given. D value is 18. D 45 minus 18. By solving this one, we will get the first number. First number is nothing but A value, 21. So the value of first number is 21. Let's solve another problem. The average of 50 numbers is 38. The average of 50 numbers is 38. Okay. Next one. If two numbers 45 and 55 are discarded. Discarded is nothing but removed. If these 2 numbers are removed from the 50 numbers, what they are asking, find the average of remaining numbers. Totally for 50 numbers, the average is 38. The average is 38. Now the 45 and 55 both are removed in this average. What's the total number? It is 100. That means 100 number is removed in the total average. We need to subtract this 100 from the total average. Now by calculating we get the sum of the discarded number. 50 into 38. 1900 minus 100. This will give you 1800. This is the sum of remaining numbers. Now we need to calculate the average of remaining numbers. Average formula is sum by n. Average is equal to sum. What is the sum value of remaining numbers? 1800. Now coming to number of observations. In totally we have 50 number of observations. Among these 50 number of observations, two observations are deleted. So we need to delete two numbers. When we delete, we will get 48 as our number of observations. So the 48 is the number of observations. By calculating this one, we will get the average as 37.5. This is the average. So option 4 is the answer, 37.5. Let's solve another sum. The average of 3 boys. This is one of the tricky question. The average of 3 boys is 15 years. So average of 3 boys is 15 years. By this we can write sum by n. We know the formula for average is sum by n. Sum equal to n. How many number of observations? 3 number of observations. Given average is 15. So sum equal to 3 into 15, that equal to sum equal to 45. This is the first condition. Now let's solve another condition. If their ages are in the ratio 3:5:7. 3:5:7. Let's sum equal to, here they given 3:5:7. That means 3x is to 5x is to 7x. If we add these 3x, 5x plus 7x, we will get the average value 45. We have to directly equate to average. By this we can get 15x equal to 45. We can get the value of x equal to 3. Now what they are asking, find the age of youngest boy. If we substitute these x value in the given ratios, 3x, 3 in 3 3 is 9. Next one, 5x, 5 into 3, 5 3 is 15. Next one is 7x, 7 3 is 21. Among these ages, who is the youngest boy? 9 is the smallest, so this is the youngest one. So the option 4 is the answer, 9 years. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all understand my concept and problems. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.